Good morning, everybody. Let's say you got a perfectly good pencil. Oh no! Oh no! Oh gosh! Seriously? He's thinking. Ah! Oh gosh, you dropped your pencil. Now look, it's all bad. Well, I don't have a sharpener, so what do? Well, check it out. This is concrete. What you do is you grind that thing down real good. If you didn't know, concrete is an abrasive. Yeah. You want you hear it strike the concrete there, you just move on to the next piece of wood. There we go. All right. It's not as pretty as your classroom, but it does the job. All right. Yep. Look at there. Kind of getting there. All right. Just drag it across the pavement. Do it in a twisting manner like that, so you get a good even spread around it. Oh, look at there. You got you a sharpened pencil. Everybody's gonna be using concrete to sharpen their pencils now.